Today, gagawa tayo ng Filipino-style baked macaroni na loaded sa meaty sauce and cheesy topping. It has 3 parts kaya medyo matrabaho ito, but it's worth the effort. Siguradong patok with the family at perfect rin sa handaan. The first part of the recipe is making the meat sauce. Classic addition sa ating Filipino version ang hotdog to extend servings and add a smoky taste. You can also use bacon, ham, or Vienna sausages. I also like to add bell peppers, mushrooms, and tomatoes for texture and a nutrient boost. Regular spaghetti sauce ang ginamit ko at naglagay ako ng tomato ketchup and sugar to add sweetness. But you can substitute ang sweet style spaghetti sauce natin or banana ketchup. Simmer the meat sauce for about 1 hour hanggang thick and hearty. Giving it more time to cook helps develop the flavors. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package directions. Make sure na al dente pa or firm to the bite ang pasta para hindi maging mushy, as it will continue to cook in the oven. Rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process, drain well, and combine with the meat sauce. Brush a 9x13 oven-safe pan with butter or oil at transfer ang pasta mixture. Spread lang para even. For the cheese sauce, gawa tayo ng roux using equal parts butter and flour. Slowly add the milk while whisking to prevent lumps. Season the bechamel with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Simmer lang until it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Add the cheese in parts para maganda pagka-melt. For a smooth sauce, cube or grate your own cheese. Ang pre-shredded cheese na nabibili sa store has additives that prevent it from melting well. Spoon the cheese sauce over the pasta mixture to cover evenly. Dahil full to the top ang aking pan, I use toothpicks to tent it with foil para hindi dumikit at masira ang topping. Ang cheese sauce ay very thick na at hindi na kailangan i-bake. But if you want a nice golden top, magandang i-bake sa oven for about 30 minutes until heated. Then remove the foil and continue to bake para mag-brown ang cheese topping. I know excited nang kumain ng lahat, but let the pasta rest for at least 20 minutes before cutting. Ito ay para mag-settle ng konti ang baked mac at makat into neat squares. It's actually a good idea na i-refrigerate muna and then warm the slices in the microwave or oven until bubbly. Mas maganda ang pagka-slice when the baked mac is given time to set. Tamang-tama itong pasta dish for parties and maganda rin pambaon for school or work. Ilagay lang ang portions sa airtight containers at refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 2 months. Reheat when ready to serve and enjoy!